welcome back.
Hi guys,
to my...
welcome back. Can I please?
Yeah, his IGTV. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my first IGTV video, and I'm sure you guys must have guessed it by now that if I am making an IGTV video, it must be about men's grooming, and you are absolutely right. And honestly guys, I'm way too excited to record this video because one of the most popular makeup brand, Colorbar, has launched their brand new grooming kit for men's, and the range is called Reborn every morning. So guys, let's not waste any more time and just unbox the hamper. Okay, so let's start with a product that I've been using from last 2 weeks. Is this 2-in-1 moisturizing pre-shave and exfoliating face wash with ingredients like African pepper, boreal forest extract that deeply purifies the open pores and removes all the impurities, excess oil and dead skin cells, enhancing my skin quality, and that makes me feel like I'm reborn every morning. So the next one is this Kickstart all-in-one balm. It's not only a moisturizer but also creates a defensive barrier against bacteria that causes unpleasant odor. Moving on to the next is this no-nonsense multitasking fluid. This fluid is a powerful mix of vitamins that helps in locking the moisture, leaving the skin soft, refreshed, and it also minimizes the early signs of aging. Okay guys, so the last product is this Girth Buster Sculpt Cream, and guys, this cream helps you to reduce your abdomen fat by 2 centimeters in just 28 days, and that is why I'm so curious to try this product because I kind of need this. And another fact that I really like about this entire range is the packaging, because the touch and feel of these products is so premium and international. Okay, I hope you guys had fun watching my first IGTV video, and guys, shortly I'm gonna review rest of the products very soon. Okay guys, you can also check out these products because I have added links of each and every product in the description box above. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section what do you wanna see next. So bye. JV ये डेजी की लाइन थी, इसको काट देना. Bye.